guys, how you are doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make this. Wait, I can do more powerful than that. Wait. I'm going to show you how to make that. Okay, first you grab a piece of paper. This a blank piece of paper. And then fold it in half. Like this. Fold it in half. Then you have a rectangular shape. Okay, after that you will have like this line. After that I want you to fold like this to the line. Like this to the line. Now here where I fold it to the line. After that I want to fold it again. Okay. Then turn it, then fold it like this. Like this. See? They don't care about that thing. Guys, don't care about that one. Okay. After that, you want to pull it. Then you got this. Tada! Then like this. Okay. Now I'm going to end the video here, guys. Peace.